Da da da. Give me the mic, yo.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MercyBright Massang, and if it's your first time tuning in, you are very much welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, mwah, I love you. So today I am going to be taking you guys once more. I'm always taking you guys, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to the local market. It's actually just close to my house. Yes, many things are close to my house. So basically I'm going to be walking there, and I'll be taking you guys along. Actually, when I shot that video, I didn't do an intro, neither did I do any talking on the camera. So I'm just going to be doing a voice over. So we're going to be together, but not really together like that. That means y'all are not going to see me, but I'm going to see you guys. Please don't forget to like. I know it's a little bit early in the video for me to be asking this, but then I think it's better to be early than to be late, I think. So yeah, please, if you haven't liked yet, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please tell a friend to help a sister. You know what it is. Yeah, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. Welcome. Yeah, here's the market. This is the entrance of the market, and the first thing you see is fish. I don't know why they decide to start a market with that, but basically when you go through the market, you'd realize, as we go through the market, you'd realize things are just randomly positioned. Like there's vegetable, there's sugary stuff, there's clothes, there's everything randomly put. It's not like, well, in my country back home there would be a place for grocery. There'll be, and look at these people, they're like, some of them would even call my attention so that they can say hello to the camera. Like these people need to be Africans, man. And you know, yeah, like I was saying, back home there'd be like a place for clothes and there'll be like different places for different things. All right. So another thing, the first time I came to this market, these people were really noisy. Like they'd be singing aloud, calling your attention, oh, come and buy, and they'd be singing very loudly, singing songs. I guess today they're just not in the mood, or maybe it's COVID that's making them not in the mood, or maybe it's the rain or something, I don't know. But today they're not so noisy. Today everybody's just calm and doing their stuff. So this is the area for undies and jeans, my favorite spot. And here is just like 25 TL, but if you look at the jeans, some of them even still have their price tags. And I'm like, I guess they take the things from the shops, maybe when they've been at the shops for so long and nobody has bought them, then they bring them to the local market and sell them for way cheap. I guess, I'm not certain, but I guess. So yeah, for some of them you still see the old price tags, maybe 70 TL, 75 TL, but they're selling it for 25 TL. So that's where I'm gonna buy it at. Yeah, this is the spot for household stuff, kitchen stuff, you know. It's rainy, but it doesn't even look like it's rainy. Like you need to look at the floor to see that it's raining. Like people are just literally chilling, like nothing is happening. So there were some people who would call my attention so that they can be able to say hello to the camera, while there were others who would be like hiding from the camera or having this facial expression of like, who's this one? Like, why is she videotaping us? It was usually the ladies, by the way. The sweatpants. I don't know why those ladies with hijabs are standing there, because I think they wouldn't wear those. I think. And we're back here. This market is like just a straight line, very long. Like if you're used to SNU, the entrance is at Kuziolu of the market. If you walk to the other end of the market, you find yourself at at Maidan. So it's that long. It's really long. You just see the same things. You literally just be seeing the same thing. On your left, maybe vegetable. On your right, maybe stuff, clothes. On your left again, household stuff. On your, like, just random stuff. These are slippers, and you can find really cool ones. Another thing I'd like to add is, in this market there's like a mix of things, the original stuff and the not so original stuff. So you would actually find things cheap, but you just have to, like, there are some shoes I found here that out of the market they sell like 120 TL, but here the guy was giving it out for like 70 TL, and it's bargainable. And so the next spot I stopped at is this area where they sell clothes. Yeah, I'm about the clothes. Here these are jackets. Yeah, on IG, which is usually where I get to buy things most of the time, because they'd have it delivered at home. So on IG they'd sell this for like 130 TL, but here they were selling it for like 70 TL, and it's bargainable, you see. So, and they even have some of the jackets that have some marks on it. Nobody, like, most people wouldn't buy it, but it's like way cheaper. I don't know what you do with it, but it's way cheaper. And yeah, they have really cool stuff. And the cooler part is you can actually really bargain. Like, it's not just when you buy from the shops. Some shops you can bargain, but not as much as you can bargain if you buy at the market, at the local market. So yeah, people are about their business. Okay, look at this guy saying hello. So the things for the vegetables, stuff like that, they are way fresher in the local market, and they are slightly cheaper. You understand? So that's the advantage of buying at the market. Now I'll tell you how it works. Like, every area in Istanbul, anyways, every area has their own local market, and their own local market holds on specific days. Like in Kuzyolu, where I live, the local market holds on Saturday. In Taral Pasha, which is another place that's close by, they have their own day. In Maidan, they have their own day. You understand? Like, each place has their own day when theirs holds. So that's how it works. Back in Cyprus, when I was in Cyprus, we used to have market. It was one local market in the whole of Cyprus. No, oh my god, in the whole of Lefkosia, which is rather big, but it was just one market, and it would hold on Sundays. We used to call it Sunday market. And then Guinea would have its own market, and Magusa would have its own market as well. So, but here, just a small area, and they'd have their own market. Back in Cyprus, it would be like a large area, because Lefkosia is big, but they had just one market. You get the point now. Oh, those bras are sexy. And here are the veggies. They are fresh, like so fresh. That guy said hello too. And the kiddo is like, take a video of me as well. So yeah, corn, like anyway. And there's okra. These people eat okra as well, but not the same way we eat it. Like, they don't cut it like into small pieces. I think they boil it whole, and yeah, like that. But some of us grate like making it into liquid. So I was done with what I needed to do. I didn't go right to the end of the market, because it's really long, and I didn't really have all the time in the world, and it was raining, and I didn't have an umbrella. So when I was done there, I came to this shop close by. This is not part of the market, because this shop opens every day. Okay, so but I just stopped by because I needed to get me a carpet. I don't know another way to call this, but I call it carpet. So I got that for me, and the guy was arranging it. So Unfortunately though, when I brought it home, it wasn't exactly the way I wanted it to be, but well, now I'm stuck with it. Rather unfortunate, but yeah, it's gonna serve another purpose, I guess. So guys, I think I am almost about the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed so far. Let me know what you'd like me to film else. Let me know how the market in your area looks like, if it's like coordinated, if it's like a session for particular things, you understand, unlike this place where everything is just mixed up. Let me know down in the comment section. Please leave a comment, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Love you. Goodbye. Ciao.